Hey guys, welcome to ShannieSays. So the holidays are over and I know a lot of us are trying to find ways to kind of spruce up the home, give it a new fresh look for the new year. So I thought it would be cool to just share a few tips and tricks with you guys on how you can make your bathroom counter space look a lot more fancier but still staying in budget. Now these things can work with someone who may have a whole lot of counter space and someone who actually doesn't have any counter space at all. I fall into that category because my apartment is pretty tiny. I don't have that much counter space, but I still wanted it to look a little nice, So I hope you find this video to be helpful. I hope you find something in this video that you would want to kind of mimic, or you can put your own spin on it. It's just a little something you can do. Okay, so let's just get into the video. Okay guys, so this is how everything started out when I first moved in. As you can see, I have absolutely no counter space, and don't worry, don't fret, I actually have a clear covering on my toothbrush. I'm not nasty. But yeah, this is how I started out. I'm about to show you the things I used. So you want to buy some type of mason jar, or like a jar, something that looks a little bit more fancier, and I got these for less than $5, I think, from Quality Home. This right here is a shot glass that I got for under $2 at Quality Home Center. It looks like glass, but it's actually plastic. But you'll see what I'll do with it a little later in the video. But just a little disclaimer, if you go to get these from Quality Home Center, they have batteries in them. It's gonna focus, okay. So they have batteries in them, and I didn't realize it at first. So one of them actually, the battery kind of spilled, and it had like this weird juice looking thing inside there. So that's when I realized, and I took it out. So just a little disclaimer, you want to take the batteries out because they light up. So this right here is one of those oil containers. It's actually made of glass, not plastic, and I got it for $3.99 at Quality Home Center. As you can see, I already put my mouthwash in it, and this is what the mouthwash is going to be in, so it looks a little bit more fancier. And if you haven't guessed by now, the shot glasses are to pretty much match this. So I got this beauty right here from AID. I don't remember the price, but it was possibly under $10. And I'm going to put my toothbrush in here along with my toothpaste. You can get your stuff from whatever store you are most comfortable with, especially if you're not in the Bahamas. But yeah, this is how everything turned out. I got 3 of those jars. And as you can see, the shot glasses are right next to the oil container, which I'm using for my mouthwash. I think it makes it look a lot more put together, especially for a place that doesn't have, actual counter space. So I like how it turned out, and these things were not expensive at all. So this is just, it's not super bougie, super fancy looking, but it looks way better than it did before. So I hope you got something from this. Hope you was able to get some ideas. So as you can see, I have some cotton balls, Q-tips inside the jars, and then the third jar I have some picks for your teeth, the floss picks. I can't remember exactly what they're called. But yeah, and then you can put your soap in an actual soap dispenser. I was going to get one that matched, the look. I may still get it, but I was being a bit lazy and didn't want to have to worry about kind of like, switching it out and cleaning it out and putting it in there and all of that. So that's just me being lazy, but that would make the space look a lot better as well. So I'm probably still going to do it. But yeah, this is how everything turned out, and I hope that you found it to be helpful. Hope that you got some tips from it, some idea of what you would want to do with your counter space. And if you are planning on doing anything like it, feel free to take photos and pretty much tag me or something on Instagram. I want to see what you guys come up with. If it's better than mine, I may even get something from you and, kind of copy that. But yeah, So if you're interested in these kind of videos and you're not subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so you know whenever I post a video. And yeah, I hope you find this video helpful like I said before, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.